Cloud to ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Denton County in north-central Texas until 8:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:53 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm tornado is located near Singer, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Krogerville around 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. All Park Isles is around 8:05 p.m. Central Standard Time. Pilot Point around 8:10 p.m. Central Standard Time. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 469 and 479. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are out